Yeah, got you back. I've got 4Ks left of my tank. I'm at the top of the hill, and I don't think I'm going to have enough fuel to get back to town. But I'm going to probably start going down and get ahead, because I need to use up this fuel and use that up wisely. So clutch in, let it roll. Here we go, rolling time. Meanwhile, you can enjoy the scenery on Lake Mountain Road. Euan's coming up behind me. He's behind me. Clutch in. Try not to use the brake. Oh, he's used a bit of brake. Oh, he shouldn't have used the brake there. Clutch in. Just throttle it when you need it. Oh, here we go, the gravel bit now. Where's that gravel bit? I know there's a gravel bit here somewhere. Where is it? It's coming up. Lake Mountain Road. Oh, here it is. Gravel bit. Better put the traction on. Stop using the brakes, let it roll. Gee, I'm using the brake again. Far out. Stop using the brake. Let it roll. There's Ian. Ian's going to stop, take a picture or something. He's trying to. It's Yui time. There he is. Up your bum guy. The up your bum guy. Oh damn, gotta use my bloody brakes again. Cereal. I got 1K on the dial officially. 1K on the dial to go. Oh damn, brakes again. Jeez. Got to time this right so I don't need to touch the brake. Save me petrol. clutch in. Officially, no petrol on the dial. The K's, there you go, can you see it? K's, no K's available on the dial. I'm out, I'm spent. Gee, it speeds up a bit, even without throttling it. It's just going down, speeds up. I think Euan was right. Won't need much. I could probably roll into Marysville. Really, you might be right about that. Just tractoring along. No fuel. Just rolling. Everyone's going to pass me now, you watch. Everyone's going to pass me. There he goes. That's the blue GS. Oh, look at this corner, eh? And it speeds up too. I wonder where all the riders are. I'm going pretty slow. No one's caught up except that blue GS. Oh, it's speeding up again. Speeds up? Far out. Alright, no throttle. Let's see how much it speeds up going downhill, eh? Gee, I wish I could put it into neutral at any time. That'd be good. Because you know you can only put it into neutral like after between first and second. I wish I could put it into neutral any time. Oh, he's behind me. Right. Okay, so I got my tail end. He's gonna save me. Tail end's gonna save me in case I run out of fuel. Here come the other bikies. There they go. There's the black car. Nice black car. There's another GS. So I gotta brake it now. Yeah, I put it in the right gear. Yeah, gear. Right. Okay, there you can go. There you go. There you go. That's a G. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Down the mountain we going. Oh high, oh high. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Down the mountain we're going. Nice, look at the woods, mate. Nice. Nice and picturesque. Picturesque. What are we on? 9 minutes of no fuel. Let's see if we can make it all the way to the bottom of the jar. Oh damn, I have to put the fucking brake on. Fucking hell. That sucks. minutes of no fuel and counting. Where are the other riders? That's what I want to know. Lake Mountain Road, rolling. No fuel in the tank. The dial says 0, and I have to make it to Marysville, which is pretty far away as far as I'm aware. Oh, which way am I going? Going right. So, let's see, that way. Okay, good. Let's get the power up the hill. Put it in 6 gear. Keep the revs as low as possible. 6th gear. Clutch on the slow. Bit of throttle up. Clutch on the slow. Oh, good. Damn, gotta use brake again. Far out. Okay, so let's use no throttle now. 11 minutes of no fuel. There we go. And we're accelerating downhill, not using any power at all. Minutes and no fuel. Will he make it to Marysville? Let's see. Will he make it? Tick tock, tick tock. Tick tock, tick tock. I think Euan was right. I think I could probably roll into, hey, oh, nah, I just thought I could turn off the engine to roll the bike, but I still need to have the clutch in, so it doesn't matter, and you'd probably lose too much fuel in the start-stop of the bike. Probably just better to let it run on the fumes, you know, better to do that, more efficient probably, I'd say. Alright, let's get ready for this dip. Let's not use brake. No? Okay, good. This is good. Rolling, 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 down the hill we're going. Oh hi, oh hi. 13 minutes. No fuel in the tank. Well, no fuel in the dial. Rolling down the mountain. Here we go. Don't use the brakes, let it roll. No, it's alright. No one's caught up anyway. Don't know where the other guys are. I've been going pretty slow and no one's caught up to me. Tail end isn't caught up. Interesting. Interesting. There's the K. He's caught up. We're in 14 minutes. Gonna have to start a new video. Minutes. I wonder if I can put it down to second and then put it in neutral. Oh, I can. Oh, fucking brilliant.